What's going on, guys? This is Michael with another 10-minute tutorial on how to export from Blender into Sketchfab. Let's get started. All right, for those of you who don't know what Sketchfab is, we'll start right there. Sketchfab is a website that houses people's 3D objects, and you can sell them or not, give them away for free, whatever you want to do. But you upload the FBX or whatever 3D object file you want to work with, and it's PBR textures. It's physically based rendered textures, and there you go. It will have it right there for people to scroll around and check out. So that is what we're going to do. All right, so we're in Blender here to start out with our object in question. Let's make sure our world origin is somewhere near the center of the world. We are also going to export two lamps with this, which FPX can do and Sketchfab will pick up, is this point light lamp and this spot lamp here. Okay, so you'll notice that this is, I've already got this the shaders and all the PBRs right here connected. Groovy, great. And it is UV edited, this one right here. All right, so when this is all set up, you go over with everything selected here, just the three objects we're going to be taking in. We're going to go to File, Export, FPX. Here, biggest thing, you want to make sure selected objects is you don't want to grab things that are even hidden that you don't even forget about. So just hit that. We're going to export it. I've already got them here, two here situations, one with a light on with lamps and one without. We're just going to say good, that's been done and set. And that's Blender. And that's moving now on to Sketchfab. So let's go back to Sketchfab here, and hopefully you created an account, blah, blah, blah. Click Upload here. All right, one thing that we can do, which we are going to do because it speeds things up, is we are going to create a zip file of our project of what we need for Sketchfab. And the only thing we need is this FBX, the 3D object, and a mats folder that has all of our PBR mats in it. Great, sounds good, nice. Let's drag that puppy right onto there, and it's gonna start uploading all of those now. And as it's doing that, we're just going to create a cool little, like, super fantastic write-up of our object here. Get as detailed as you want. Categories, it allows you to select up to 2. Electronics and gadgets, obviously. And I don't know, music, because it could be hung in a music venue. That's probably cheating, but I did it anyway. Next thing you want to do is you want to tag it up. A million tags, however many tags you want. So boom, good. We're going to continue there. And it is going to work. It's a little hard out uploading all of your information. Sketchfab is a great way to showcase your items in 3D in a pretty easy way. Drag and just check out your objects. And if you ever have a Blender market as well set up, well, it ties directly with Sketchfab. The Blender Market will have an Explore button, which goes directly to Sketchfab and your item. All right. Guys, while this is uploading, I just want to say don't forget to support Blender. It is a fantastic free software. The collaborators involved are just all amazing, amazing people. The community is fantastic. And any chance you get to support Blender and its community, please do. Awesome. Great. Now is the time. Okay, here we go. Good. And our model is here. And you'll notice because we zipped the mats and the FBX that it threw the albedo or diffuse texture immediately on there, but that's not enough. We got other things to do. Let's go into 3D settings here. We're going to quickly run through this, try and make it a 10-minute tutorial as usual. Let's go to Materials tab here. Okay, next thing you want to do, just quickly for fun, automatically, just set up your model of how you want it to be viewed for other people see it. Set it up, the angle you want, save that view. Groovy. All right, so it looks like we do have, you see PBR mats here. We're on the mats tab. PBR mats. Base is already attached, if you'll notice. Look, this is already, the base color is already attached. It knew how to do that, but the metal isn't. So let's go down and let's choose a texture here. And let's find that metal. This is the metal. Connect that. We're not going to do specular. We're not going to do this in isotropy. We're not going to do that. We're going to go over to roughness and glossy and do roughness. Here, we're going to go find our roughness matte. I believe that's it. We aren't going to do displacement. Normal, it automatically grabbed the normal and put it on there, as you can see. So that's groovy. We already know that is all set and ready. I like to turn ambient occlusion on. Cavity is, if there are like tiny little areas like this, it intensifies the crevices, ambient occlusions, and whatnot. I don't usually use that. Emission is on automatically, as you can tell. Let's go into post-processing really quickly. Post-process filters. Screen space reflection. Red leather, yellow leather is something I like to use sometimes if it's a metallic kind of surface. SSAO is good to use for me. I don't use really anything, but bloom is going to be used here because of our light. It's fun. Great. Save that view again because I changed it. I don't care. I like it. Now, this is saved and ready to go. We could publish this right now, but we're not. We're going to quickly hit exit. Everything's been saved. Everything's been great. Now we can say, no, download. Yeah, you can download it. It's free, baby. Or you could say, no, this is $25 or however much money you want to do. And you can set your royalties here, blah, 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 save, and publish. Anyway, that is a quick little tutorial on how to take something from Blender into Sketchfab to show the world. All right, I hope you have a good day. If you want to, feel free to stick around because we're going to be doing a live reading of War and Peace.